I want you to look very carefully, folks. I can't zoom in any closer, but at the center of the screen, under the tent is, that's correct, a live security guard. That is not just a chair. It is 2 o'clock in the morning. It's raining cats and dogs. The wind is blowing, which means at points the rain is getting into the tent. And yet, the security guard sits there on a lone assignment to watch the grounds. That man or woman deserves double overtime pay. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Let's widen out this scene so you can see what their face. See that? There's nobody else around other than that one person. And look at the water. Let's see the wet pavement. And if you look at certain reflections, you can even see very carefully how the rain is still coming down, even on this window here at the Congress Plaza. And look carefully at the ground here. Zoom in. See how the raindrops are hitting the pavement? And yet, sheathed in a poncho, security guard is at work. I would assume awake. But if that person went to sleep, I wouldn't blame them.